Here's baby Haley. Not even quite 1 day old yet. Haley. Hi there, sweetie. Can you open your eyes? Haley. Haley. You're so cute. Oh no! There we go. There we go. You see those little eyes? Can you open them? Hello? He's a cutie pie. Hey there. Let's see if we can check out your cuteness. Look at all that hair and her swirl on her head. Look at that long hair. Looks like her daddy, I think, is a baby. Let's see how cute your little body is. Where's the blanket? Which way did I wrap you up in this thing? There we go. There we go. What a cutie pie. Look at that. And those little feet. You got the hiccups. Oh. Look at you. So soft and perfect. Oh. Oh, goodness. This is our baby Haley Grace, a gift and a blessing from God and an answer to prayer. We are so thankful and give God all the glory for this little girl. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, say bye-bye. Oh. Oh, goodness. Bye-bye. There's our little sweet pea. Just had a diaper change and got some new clean clothes on, and she's just alert and looking around. Hey, sweet pea. Hi there, pretty girl. Miss Haley Grace Bayshore. So beautiful. Hi there. Look at that hair. Looks just like Daddy's. Sticking straight up. Silly. Love you.